a builder's soak of gel in a bottle from Light Elegance? Yes, it still exists. So let's get ready for part 2. Jimmygel has taken the nail world by storm, which comes as no surprise. In this Jimmygel series, you'll learn all the basics you need to know to start working with it right away. And it's easy. So let's dive into this video's topic, how to do a refill or infill using the Jimmygel. First thing you want to do is to remove the previous color design. Since we used ButterCream last time, you can see how fast and easily it comes off. The speedy bit also helps to prevent damaging the skin and the cuticles, as it is a safety bit with a smooth top. Just a little FYI, I'm doing this with my non-dominant hand, so excuse the awkward positioning. Here's a quick side view of the nails after the color removal. As you can see, I left most of the gel on, and don't worry if you didn't get the color gel all the way down to the cuticles. We can use the preppy bit for that in just a second. On the middle finger here, you can see that I had to remove a little bit more, so we do need to keep that in mind once we start to build. Moving on to the preppy bit to clean up around the cuticles. Remember to keep it flat against the nail. And then shaping the free edge. Cleanse the nails from dust and oils, and this step is optional, but if you want to use the VITA Prime, this is when you do that. Just dab the tiniest little amount onto the natural nail and let it spread. As you can see, it will only start to spread on the natural nail. If you place it on the gel, it will basically just sit there and wonder why you put it there. TACK is another optional step. This will ensure a longer wear, but it also increases the soak of time. Technically, you only need to apply this on natural nail, but you might as well cover the whole thing, especially the free edge. Time to fill in that outgrowth, and I find that the easiest way to do this is to do the classic slip layer over the entire nail, just so that you'll get that perfect transition from the back over to the old material. Place a drop at the back and watch it do its magic. If needed, just simply carefully drag the gel forward to make it melt into that perfect shape. You seriously don't need to do much. Just leave it for a couple of seconds before curing and it will take care of it for you. So here's that middle finger where I had to remove a little bit more of that old material. In this case, I am going to build it up in 2 stages, starting off exactly as the previous nail. We got the slip layer and then the drop. But as you can see here, I still got that little dip in the back, so I'm going to cure that and then repeat the same steps one more time. Showing off the same technique one more time here on my ring finger, just make sure that you got the hang of it. Remember that Jimmygel is extremely self-leveling. So just take it slow, and if you panic, simply turn the nail upside down to keep it from running into the cuticles. And here is what they look like after the backfill application. I know that a lot of you guys are struggling with the thickness of the nails when it comes to short nails, so here I'm just trying to show you all possible angles in the best way I can to hopefully help you out a little bit. Before applying the ButterCreams, I do recommend cleansing and buffing the nails, and when you buff, you can also correct any imperfections in the shape, if you got any. Going in with this fabulous color from the Spring 2020 collection and using the Gel Polish Bling Brush, of course. Apply thin over the nail and rather do 2 thin coats instead of 1 thick, and especially be careful around the free edge and double check that you got that covered with the gel. I'm just quickly going in with that second thin coat. Finish off with your preferred top, I decided to use the Super Shiny. So here's another product that will help you get that super smooth and perfect finish. I actually called Super Shiny the Spanx of nail products because if you got any imperfections hanging out, the Super Shiny will go, well, I'll fix that for you, and that was the Super Shiny doing the Spanx move, and ta-da! Perfection on a nail. So that was part 2 of the Jimmygel series, and in the next part we're going to create an extension. How about that? You can find the Jimmygel and all the other products from the video at lightelegance.com, where you can also find all of our distributors worldwide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!